In this video, I will show you a simple AI that would take your simple drawings to the next level, and this AI can create some nice pictures out of some scribbled images, so this is really cool. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to not miss anything, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoy this video. But now let's get right into this. Alright, first of all, what we want to do is we want to go onto Google, and here we want to search for something called Scribble Diffusion. Then a website will pop up right here called scribblediffusion.com. So we'll just click on that, and then we can go ahead and create this. So let's just get started. Now I want to say, for example, some mountains with a purple and blue sky, and then I will draw some mountains right here, and then I will draw a sky, and now we can click on go if we are done with the drawing. So I am done with the drawing now, and then we'll get a result. So let's just click on that, and then it will convert this into a great image. So this is what it came up with. I'm not quite happy with it yet, but we will change something. So let's just go with that for now and see what it comes up with now. So we will have to wait a second, and this is still not great, but you get you get what you can do with it. So let's just maybe change the prompt for now. Let's say a tiger, and then we will clear this, and then we will draw a tiger. So this is going to be horrible right now. So this is our tiger right now. So let's just click on go and see what it comes up with. So we are creating a tiger that is sticking his tongue out. So let's just do it. Let it just do its work. And as you guys can see, this looks funny. This is not quite what I expected, but this is funny at least. So, I mean, it could have been better. And I've seen a lot of other people create some nicer images with this, because it really comes down to the prompt you put in too. So the more detail you give here, the better it will turn out, and the better you are at scribbling down your drawing, the better it will turn out too, because this is obviously not good. This obviously doesn't look like a tiger when I draw it like this, but you get what this website can do. So this is really cool if you want to create some nice art just like the one you drew. So if you, for example, have an assignment to draw art in a specific way, and you can't use Midjourney for that, since Midjourney just put out random images, then you can use this to scribble down your drawing, and then it will create a nice image out of this. So if I were you, I would definitely check out this website, Scribble Diffusion, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.